recording here at 8720 from our new repair we installed down here on the, what are we, east side of the house here. Got the camera pushed as far as I can get it down. As you can see, we got a large lip on the pipe. I'm unable to jump the camera over that large offset lip. Coming back from this point, zero out our footage here. We've got intact concrete pipe. Coming back into our plastic there. So here's our plastic run where we ended our repair. Coming back up out of the hole here. And I'm going to end the video there.